Good morning, readers. Today we are going to talk about making predictions. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and get out your reading learning intention sheet, fill in the date, the book that you're reading, and since we'll have book club today, it will be your book club book. And today as a reader, I am working on making predictions using evidence. Readers, we all know what predictions are, and you've been making predictions for quite a while. Probably since the first or second grade, you've been making predictions about what is going to happen in your book. So this lesson is a reminder about how to make good predictions. A prediction is a guess that you make based off clues in the text or pictures. But in our case, it would be clues in the text. So, when we are making predictions, our guess is an educated guess. That means that it has to be based off evidence from the text. Readers, if you don't have evidence from the text, then it's not an accurate prediction because there's nothing to back it up. Then it's just a plain old guess and doesn't have anything to do with the book that you're reading. So it's very important that we always have evidence from the text. I'm going to show you this predictions sheet that you can use to help you make predictions if you would like. At the top of the sheet, you put the title, and in our situation, we're going to use The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane. Then you would put clues in the first column, and those clues come right from the text. They're evidence. And then you can put what those clues make you think. That would be your prediction. And then you'll notice this third column says confirmation. And in that third column, you would put whether or not your prediction was accurate. So, a prediction can always be proven or disproven. That means after we finish the book, we can always decide if our prediction was correct or incorrect. So in the confirmation column, if our prediction was correct, we would mark the yes, and then we would write what happened. And if our prediction was not correct, we would mark the no and write what happened instead. Readers, let's give this a try with a passage from Edward Tulane. This was the end of the chapter that we read yesterday. "She ain't yours," Bryce screamed. "You can't take her. She ain't yours." But the father was bigger and stronger, and he prevailed. He wrapped Sarah Ruth in a blanket and carried her away. The small house became very quiet. Edward could hear Bryce moving around, muttering to himself. And then finally the boy picked Edward up. "Come on, Jangles," Bryce said. "We're leaving. We're going to Memphis." Readers, right now I want you to think, what is going to happen? Make sure that as you're thinking, you're using evidence from what we've read so far. Readers, today you will meet with your book clubs. You will decide what to read for next Tuesday. Keep in mind that we will only have reading time on Thursday and Friday because we are off of school Monday. That means by the end of Marathon Read on Friday, you should be all ready for your book club meeting on Tuesday. And once you've done that, you will read. If you would like, there are prediction sheets that you can use to make predictions as you read. These would be a great thing to bring to book club and to use as you meet with your book club. Let's make it a great reading day.